Welcome to SportyBet tips. Today I'll be teaching you something on instant dog racing. So to get to instant dog racing, you need to click on virtuals. Alright, and then here is instant dog racing. Okay, so that's what we'll be using. Click there. Okay, so to get what we want, we'll just be playing the big odds. Now that we have learned how to use arbitrage calculator in my last video, so we'll be using that arbitrage calculator now. So we'll be picking only the big odds. So we pick this, we pick this, and we pick this too. Okay, those are 4 different odds. So we're going to apply those 4 in arbitrage. Our stake is going to be 100 naira. If we lose, the next round we'll be playing with 300 naira till we win. Okay, so that we can actually recover our loss. So with this, we go to our arbitrage calculator. I just pray ad doesn't pop up, because if ad pops up, it's going to take a long time. Alright, this is my this is my arbitrage calculator, which I just installed. I just installed it newly, so I'll be adding 2 more blank space. Remember, I taught you how to use the arbitrage calculator. So we'll be inputting our odds. The first odd is let's check 8.10. So let's input that 8.10. The second is 6.33. We input that 6.33. The third is 607. 6.07, sorry, 07, and the fourth is we're supposed to skip this game. But we're going to use it for the sake of the video. This is how you impute it. Okay, so what we'll be staking at each, we didn't put our staking plan, so our stake will be 100 naira. So let's check what we'll be staking each game with. Alright, the first game, which is 8.10, we'll be staking it with 20 naira. Alright, let's take 8.10. We'll be staking it with 20 naira. We go to the next one. The next one is 6.33. We'll be staking it with 26 naira. Go to the third one. And the last one, 100 naira. So let's see the outcome of this game. So we just won number 1 to win, or number 3 to be amongst the first 3, or number 6 to win, or number 5 to also win. So we have number 3 doing the winning for us. Okay, so you see we've made 64 naira interest. We go again one more time before I end the video. I don't know if you understand what I'm doing. Now you pick only the big odds. We pick this and this and this and this. Okay, those are 4 big odds, and then we apply it to the arbitrage calculator. The first one is 9.66. So we'll input the odds there, 9.66, and the second is 5.79. So we input that, 5.79. Alright, the third is 7.24. So we input that, 7.24, and the last one is 5.79. 5.79. So let's go check how I'll be staking them. I'll be staking the first game, which is 9.66 with 18 naira. We're staking that with 18 naira. We go to the next one. And the third one, 24 naira. While the last will be taking the last with 29 naira. Something is missing. Something is missing. Okay, 9.66 was supposed to stick with what? Let's check. We're supposed to stick with 17 naira. So there you go. You place your bets. Let's see the outcome. So that is how it is. It is as simple as that. I promised us that the video wasn't going to be lengthy. So you've seen how we've used Arbitrage Calculator to win. Okay, so each time you lose, you apply the martingale formula and then make profit. Okay, so thank you for staying tuned. Drop me a comment on which other strategy you want me to come up with, so that I can actually work on it for you. The more, if I have about 10 persons commenting on one particular strategy, that's what I'm going to work on next. See you in my next video.